It's fancy, isn't it?
Very fancy.
So we're all checked in, huh?
Yeah, that was really easy, really quick.
Really easy.
Yeah.
Buffet restaurant, that's all right,
That
isn't
smells
it?
nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, we're just going to brave this now.
Yeah.
This is going to be interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, let's go.
A little bit of a wet one, isn't it?
To be fair, this is the worst we've had it.
Yeah, this is definitely. It's meant to stop in literally 11 minutes, apparently.
Oh, I think this is ours.
Oh, this is ours.
Zero, yeah, we got a pool view.
We got a pool view and a lake view. That's pretty good, actually, isn't it, to be fair?
Yeah.
Yeah, quite impressed with this.
Right, let's go in.
Ooh. After you, Pat.
Oh, it smells really nice.
It does smell really nice. Hopefully we can find some
Light.
light switches. We found them at the end of the day. Just there.
Just yeah.
That was a bit hard to find, wasn't it? But no, this is quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice and big as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Very big, very spacious.
Yeah.
Quite impressed for this.
Me
Try
too,
and get
actually.
My bag down. All right then.
So, we've got a nice little chair and table, which is good.
That's pretty good. Doing any work and things if we need to.
Plenty of storage.
Oh, massive drawers.
Big drawers. That's right.
Nice
Nice Samsung
big,
TV.
huge TV.
Yeah.
Absolutely massive, that, isn't it?
Very nice. We've got a safe as well.
That's good, isn't it? Yeah. Some instructions and things if we need them.
They've got USBs.
Ah, USBs. That's always handy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Alarm clock as well, in case we need status.
Yeah.
In case we're getting up early.
Nice big wardrobe.
That's huge, isn't it?
Oh, and there's a mirror there as well.
I bet you could almost fit a lion and a witch in there.
And then there is an ironing board there.
Oh, that's not too bad, is it? Oh, wow.
Oh, cool.
It's like a little mini kitchenette.
Yeah.
Is that what they're called?
Yeah. We've got like single blend coffee, so we can have a coffee.
This is the same one as we had at the Universal Hotel,
Yeah,
isn't it? I think.
it is.
So we know how to use that.
Microwave. A nice big
Huge
fridge.
fridge.
Oh, that's ace.
Loads of towels. Oh, little tissues and things. Face and body soap, hair dryer. This is really good, isn't it?
Oh, that's ace.
Oh, that's us.
And then that is huge.
Oh, wow.
We've got shampoo,
Conditioner.
face
Soap.
and body bar.
A bath mat as well,
A bath
because
mat,
you don't
yeah.
want to be slipping around and things.
So,
it's really
yeah.
quite nice, actually.
Very nice and clean, I must
Towels
say
and
that,
things.
to be fair. It smells lovely.
Toilet's the toilet, isn't
Yeah.
it? Oh, wow. This will do us for the next week and a bit, won't it?
Yeah, 11 nights for you.
11, is it 11 nights?
Yeah.
I didn't realise it was that long. Oh, wow. Well, no, this is a nice little setup. We've got a nice view. I'm quite happy with this view.
Me too.
Yeah, very nice. Got some information here, haven't we?
Yeah.
Got the maps and things. So we're there. That's where we are, isn't it, there?
Yeah.
That's all right there, isn't it? Pool there. And there's various... I don't know if you'll be able to read that, guys. It's quite small. But it's got some information about breakfast and things, if you want that.
The comfort bar and grill. Light bites and gift shop. That's open till midnight, so that's good. Swimming's 9 till 10. I do get
RP.
free Wi-Fi as well, which is good. And then this is the
Shuttle schedule.
yeah.
Effective from the 1st of September, that would have been, like 2023. Didn't see that there. But no, at least we can get back to Universal if we want to go back to do anything. We can get to SeaWorld.
Hollywood Studios, Epcot, Universal again, and Disney Springs. And then they're the return times as well. They did say to us, just literally get there 15 minutes before departure, just outside the front entrance,
Yeah.
and then we should be A-OK to go.
Jump on, yeah. We've got the aircon here as well, Kev. I don't quite know how it works, but it's blowing cold air out, so that's all I'm really fussed about. It's on cool at the moment, that'll do. I assume you just press up and down.
I assume so, yeah.
Yeah, for whatever you need, that's all right, isn't it, to be fair? So we're all set, aren't we?
We are.
We're all here at the Rosen in Lake Buena Vista.
Yeah, we're gonna now get ready to go out for some tea.
Nice, isn't it?
Really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just like a little general seating communal area. Got
You can just come chill out, can't you?
got a bit of music on and things, so copyright's going to be fun. But yeah, it's a nice little area, isn't it? Absolutely brilliant. Then you can look out for your gators down here. Caution, just in case. You never know. We haven't seen any, to be fair, have we? I assume it's just a warning, really.
Yeah.
There might be.
There might be.
But yeah, no, I'm absolutely very impressed. We'll probably sit out here one night, let's have a little bit of a chill, won't we? Yeah, it's really nice with the fans and stuff as well.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Oh, doing a little bit of washing, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, so we think we've worked it out here. You get your tokens from this machine. As you can see, it's $1 one token. So it's not the cheapest wash, but it still works out way cheaper than us bringing all the stuff in suitcases and things, doesn't it?
Yeah,
so
exactly.
Works out better for us, to be honest, there. And some of the stuff can be quite expensive in the shops, can't it?
Yeah, it can.
So, yeah, you're paying for ease and convenience, aren't you?
Definitely. So the washes are 30 minutes and then the dries are 60 minutes.
Yeah, so that's absolutely brilliant. So you've got our loads in, haven't you?
Yeah.
All sorted down there?
Yeah.
Oh, that was really quite easy, wasn't it?
That was really easy.
Yeah, and it's all locked and things, so we're going to go back about 29 minutes it'll be about now, won't it?
Yeah.
Get our stuff and then we'll do the drying. And we're back, aren't we?
We are.
We are, it's all clean. We're going to wax in the dryer now, aren't we?
Yeah.
And hopefully it should all fit on one dryer, shouldn't it, really?
They're massive, so I would have thought so.
They are pretty big dryers, to be honest, there. A lot of room. So hopefully we can fit it all in and that'll be nice and clean for us, won't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really quite good, actually, isn't it? Your glasses falling down. Oh, we're back then,
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, it all seems nice and dry, doesn't
Yeah.
it? It's pretty good, isn't it?
Very good.
Oh, wow. Well, it was nice and easy. Wanted to do the laundry at the hotel.
Very easy.
It hasn't taken long, and
No.
we've been in the pool for the last hour while this is...
Waiting for it,
Yeah,
yeah.
so it's been nice and chilled, isn't it?
Very nice.
What a lovely holiday we have had.
Yes, it's been absolutely amazing.
It's been fantastic. We really enjoyed my stay here at the Rosen in Lake Buena Vista.
Yeah, it's been absolutely brilliant. The cleaners have been fantastic. They've given us fresh towels every single day, every time we've come back from the parks. The room's lovely and clean. All the staff around have been absolutely lovely. I know it's one of the cheaper places to stay in Florida, but I'd highly recommend, to be fair.
I would. Everything I've just said there, they've been absolutely brilliant. And then sometimes we've got up a little bit late and they've been doing the rooms on this floor, but we've come back at the end of the day and they've come back and done it.
Yeah, they have.
It's been spotless every time we've walked in. It's been absolutely lovely to walk in on a long park day in a lovely fresh room.
Yeah, it really has.
But yeah, we'd highly recommend this one, guys. If you've seen anything you liked, please leave a like, subscribe. See you soon. Whoop, whoop. Come all the way to Orlando and I still haven't met Mickey Mouse.